friends, this is Miss Kara from the Sachem Public Library. We're outside in the garden today to read a book, Bridget Fidget and the Most Perfect Pet, about a ladybug, and then we'll be following it up later doing a ladybug craft. Bridget Fidget had always wanted a pet unicorn called Thunderhooves, so when the doorbell rang, she leaped out of bed, put her clothes on, and raced downstairs with her favorite toy, Captain Cat. It must be the pet shop with a pet for me. Zoom. But when Bridget got downstairs, all she found was a great big box. It was decorated with lovely ribbons that probably said congratulations and here's your new pet or something like that. But it's a bit small for a unicorn. And it was filled with all sorts of snow. Maybe it's a penguin, Captain Cat? But once the snow was out, all that was left was another smaller box. It might not be a penguin. Maybe it's a mouse. The box wouldn't open. Bridget sniffed it. It didn't smell. Bridget shook it. It didn't squeak. Bridget rolled it. It didn't skitter. Maybe it's not a mouse. Just then, the box began to make a noise. Zzz. It's asleep, Captain Cat. There's a sleepy little secret pet in the box, and we need to wake it up. A shower is good for waking up. But Daddy was in the shower. Zzz. Then again, if we wake it up too soon, it might be grumpy. So Bridget tucked the box up in bed with Mommy. Zzz. Shh. Bridget Fidget! Daddy didn't like the snow one bit. He made a lot of noise, which woke up Mommy. Luckily, Daddy cheered up when he saw the box. So that's how it opens. It's a, what is it? It's a pet in its own house, and it's going to live on my bedroom wall. There's a clock on the house, and when it's time to get up, the clock goes ding. The door opens and cuckoo, 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 clunk. Bridget couldn't help feeling a little disappointed. I want a real, live pet. Zzz. But then the noise started again. And from a little window on the side of the clock flew a real, live ladybug. A ladybug that was much less skittery than a pet mouse and could fly much higher than a pet penguin. And as for dancing, easily as good as a pet unicorn. Bridget called her ladybug Thunderhooves. It was the perfect name for the perfect pet for her. After all, she always wanted a ladybug, hadn't she? Okay, welcome back. We're here now to do our ladybug craft. We have our little ladybug craft here. The supplies that are going to be in your bag are, of course, the red bag, some dots for our ladybug, eyes. You'll have this black rectangle, and then you will also have a pipe cleaner. The supplies you will need from home are a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and a piece of chalk. So this is a really easy craft, so I'll walk you through. The first thing you're going to do is take your rectangle. You are going to put some glue on it. And then this is going to become the face of your ladybug. We're gonna put it right there. Okay. Then another easy part is you have the round circles for your ladybug dots. You're gonna select how many you wanna put on, and you're just gonna spread them around the top of the bag. However you like, whatever pattern you like, however many you like. Okay, we'll put 3 on to start. Then you're gonna be included in your bag is this pipe cleaner. You are gonna have to use scissors to cut it a little shorter. And we cut ours shorter right here. And you're gonna take them, and all you need to do, it's probably easier if you stick your hand in the bag, is you're going to just poke it through, just like that. Then you can twist it a little on the inside so it stays put. And the other one right there, just poke it through and then push it over so it stays in. And there's your ladybug antennas. And then we have our sticker eyes. Just gonna stick those right on there. Okay. And then our last part is, if you have chalk, you can use chalk. You can use marker, you can use white crayon. Give our ladybug a little smile. And there you go, there's your ladybug friend.